In the next section, we're gonna go into the different kind of gigs that you can actually do to easily make money on Fiverr. Those are gigs that I know are gonna work for you because they're simple, they're easy to do, and I researched them and I know they work for people who are just newbies and beginners on Fiverr itself. I do different kind of gigs. The reason I do the gigs that I do is because either I'm very good at this specific niche, or it takes me a very short time to create it because my time is very valuable for me. So those are the two different things that I like to do. So either I'm really good at something, or I can do it pretty quick and give a delivery of the digital goods. So keep this in mind. This is the reason I create my gigs for my own use. When you're creating your gigs for your own use, you have to think about if you have an extra time to go creative and get money and you don't care which way you make it, definitely think about going outside of the box, and you might not care about how long it takes you to create each gig. If on the other hand you want to create something and you want to make the gig last pretty fast and get paid for it as quick as you can, you definitely have to find those gigs that are not going to take a lot of time for you to deliver. In fact, the digital goods one, the one you create some product and you just keep on delivering to them over and over again, is the easiest way to make money on Fiverr itself.